How to add text on Canva mobile app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add text on Canva mobile app. For this, launch open the Canva app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, I'm going to open up any template over here. So let's say this one. If you want to add in a text to this template, then the process is very simple. At the bottom, you have different tools such as design, elements, text, gallery, brand, and much more. Find the option of text and tap on that. Now, you can add a text box over here. You can use the magic write option. You can add your brand fonts. So basically, there are so many options over here. You can also add a heading, add a subheading, add a bit of body text. Down below, you also have the font combinations. So let's say you want to add in a heading, tap on this option over here. So in this way, you want to type in your text. Now you want to edit your text however you want. You can change the color over here if you want that. Now you can also resize your text in this way. At the bottom, you have different tools such as font, text style, font size, color, format, spacing, effect, animate, transparency, layers, position, nudge, and much more options. So go ahead and use this option to edit your text however you want. And in this way, you can add text on Canva mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.